Hello viewers, we have brought to you the top 3 best anti-snoring chin strap review powered by the Fairviews Review. Number 3, the PureSom Ruby Adjustable Chin Strap securely closes the mouth during CPAP therapy with Velcro straps that are connected on top of the head and behind the neck, made of soft breathoprene material for comfort during sleep. Features a silver etch antibacterial lining, ruby red in color, available in 2 sizes, standard, extra large. Number 2, mouth breathing is a known problem for CPAP users. It adversely affects CPAP effectiveness because the CPAP device cannot send the correct pressure of air through your airways. Our chin strap keeps your mouth closed during sleep, thus preventing the air delivered from the CPAP machine to escape from the open mouth. Number 1, our original Heist Quality Chin Strap is clinically proven to help reduce snoring and dry mouth while allowing you to keep your natural sleeping position. How does it work? Our strap is designed to keep your mouth closed or nearly closed during sleep, useful for effectively preventing snoring, dry mouth, deviated septum, breathing problems, and other health problems.